Got him.
No, it's a nice look.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh, what the?
That's why we don't bring cons. Right?
Yeah. Oh. Oh.
Fuck. In the bay. Oh, no.
Oh, oh, it's a big ass fluke. Hey, hey, hey. Oh, baby. Yeah. See, Robin. Damn, that's a big freaking bait. Nice shot.
For a weekend. Like that's what he does. He loves it.
Nice.
Good con, get him.
Got him. I don't think he's baked though.
Towns College or production.
Yeah.
Blah blah blah. He actually got invited to.
Nice on the bucktail.
Yep.
He actually got invited. One of 15 kids, believe it or not, in the world, they got invited to Cannes Film Festival in France.
Really?
They do a thing every year when they have the film festival, but they open it up to 15 students to go there and study for 2 weeks.
Oh wow.
And they have to apply. The school has to sponsor them, and then they got to do work and get interviewed. They pick 15 kids and get picked.
That's crazy. That's
Yeah.
oh good.
Best one I got so far.
All right.
But I don't think it's good. No.
Oh.
He just fought
Okay.
really nice.
Oh, no net. No net.
Oh,
No. Yeah, getting teasing. Oh yeah. Getting bigger.
Yep.
This hook set, huh? Is that better than yours?
You got a hook set.
Bye bye. I didn't need a D-hook for that one. No. Okay.
Like I said, it was the biggest one I had.
Eat up. Watch down. Fuck all over.
No, it's a nice look.
You got a net?
Oh,
Yeah.
net.
I got it.
You got it?
I might have one too.
Oh.
I got a little guy.
Oh, what the?
This is why we don't bring cons. Couldn't get out of the fucking way of the net.
That was a big fish.
Yeah.
Drag like it was going out of style too.
You did. See the light and stuff.
Hold on a second. Watch your camera. Just goes
You too, huh?
Alright?
Yeah. Oh.
Oh.
Fuck.
In the bay. Alright?
Yeah. Oh. Oh.
In the bay.
In the bag.
Oh, no.
Oh,
You got
oh,
a shot.
God.
Oh yeah, I love
Oh,
it. You got
no.
the video going. I love
Oh boy.
You got the dusky?
Yeah. Yeah, I got it.
Oh, I love it.
Wow.
I might have to have you fight it though, because I'm gonna have to drive the boat. He doesn't even know he's hooked yet.
No.
He's about to swing around the side. Just stand there and swing the boat. I thought I saw a shark fucking go.
You let it
Oh, I got it back?
Yeah, got it.
Alright.
Oh, good.
I'm gonna take it again. Hold on.
You took the fish already.
Take
So there was 3 sharks coming after it.
shitload of ducks down. There he is again.
Oh,
No.
he didn't eat. What? He didn't bite it?
He hit the, I think he hit the bucktail.
Bucktail, that's right.
There's no bucktail on it anymore.
No, he ripped the bucktail off.
Yep.
That's what it was.
Yeah, the bucktail.
Alright.
Oh shit!
Well, you got one too?
I'm getting hit.
Oh yeah, check that. I don't know if it's a skate or not, but if not, it's
No,
a
skate doesn't run like that.
It's a big
Got
fluke.
Alright. Oh my god, I'm getting hit like crazy.
Nah, it's just
Oh,
Skate, nah, bro.
god. Boo boo. Awesome.
Yeah. Can I bother you to grab my rod?
We'll fist it.
I didn't knew it was
And in the mouth, too.
Yeah, I knew it was a fluke the way you did it.
Keep him.
You usually want to fucking.
Want him?
I want him. My first game for the season.
Alright,
This one here? Oh, the cooler.
pull the cooler out.
Nah. My wife asked me to skate for now. Alright,
You go.
whenever you're ready. Oh, there you go. Oh, shit.
It's almost like I've done it before. It's not fighting like a bullnose rug.
No, it's not.
The cow nose. No, it's good.
Yeah.
Pump it real nice and.
Oh.
You want 2 skates?
Sure. Make my wife happy. Eating fish are expensive out there, and they're not freaking good. Like, yeah. Got it. Oh shit. There you go. Thank you.
Oh, those birds.
Those guys? People feeding them
Outside.
probably.
That looks tight. Trying to bring my line in. Hold on.
No.
Oh.
I caught that fucking thing. I was so excited.
Dude, this is a net.
What you
If
got?
it's a fluke, it's a net.
Okay. It's nice and strong.
Hello, keeper.
No.
Keeper!
No. Copy not.
Yeah, this is 24 inch.
Okay.
Or skate.
More skate.
I want to see it first.
Well, you fucked up match keeper before, so I'm in no fucking rush for you.
He's got a fluke walk in him.
Oh, it's a big ass fluke. Hey, camera, here.
What am I doing?
Just
Point
point
at
at it. Close to it. Oh, baby. Yeah, that's a
Nice.
keeper.
Definitely a keeper.
Yes.
Good job.
Open up.
Come on, what the hell?
Open up. Fuck your camera.
Beep,
Sweet.
beep, beep.
You guys are husband and wife. You really are.
Good job, buddy. 22.
22, all right, let's measure it.
Shouldn't have been at him.
Why?
I
You're not gonna yell at them.
Oh man.
Oh, barely hooked.
Oh wow. I would have lost him. Ooh,
Look at
I would have
that.
lost
Well
him.
fought fish. You kept tensing the right way the whole way.
That's right. I learned from the best.
Thank you. Anytime.
There you go.
Oh, you gotta see the bait.
Oh shit. Swarm of it. Wow.
21.
21. Nice. Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
Whoa.
Oh my god.
Oh,
What
you just
the-
saved that one.
Yeah, serious.
All right, everybody's up. We're going on fucking anchor.
Okay.
Saved. That baby was about to slide
I
right back.
know. You had to slap it several times. I mean, I wasn't even recording anymore.
No,
That'd be funny.
I fucking
What?
grizzly beared that shit. I'm gonna need you to open this for me.
Yeah.
He's fat in the back. That's why he's so hard to grab.
Yeah, he is fun.
No.
Oh, this?
Yeah, bleed him out first.
Oh, put a cork?
Man,
Okay.
thank you for asking.
Yeah, of course.
Nice fish, guy.
Thank you.
Good job.
Thank you.
Mine would have been bigger.
Oh, yeah.
Can I trouble you for a water, Matt?
Me too, please. There you go. And showed him.
Hey, Tommy.
See? Oh. What is that? Oh, black well. What?
I'm on anchor. 15.
Needs to be certain depth.
Yeah, you need at least 5.
Oh.
Even 5, you suck it.
Oh, really?
Well, it's jet rod.
Oh.
So it sucks water in and pushes it out. So it'll suck water over and fucking
Yeah.
like 6 feet down.
Right. Oh, both of them are coming. You're gonna get a special escort.
Nah, that'd be.
Oh, okay.
Short dick, short fish.
Probably you got an aging on board, that's why.
Just one
Just
right
one,
now.
yeah.
Been slow. Yeah. Pull something else up.
Oh,
That's fine. I get overtime then.
Yeah, there you go.
Guaranteed 6 hours. Actually, by the time you guys come back, it'll be a lot more than 6 hours. When scuba was diving, they saw tire. That's what they're picking up.
Oh, interesting.
A big truck tire. Yeah, so is it a confirmed submergence or? Family's on the beach.
Wow,
Right.
that really
Oh,
sucks.
trolling motor holds pretty good, huh?
Yeah, crazy.
Was it a gig or no?
A captain?
My other boat. Had 2 skates.
Yeah. You know, I like skates.
At least you got a pair.
Yeah, there you go.
No. What's up with you, man? Good, how you doing?
Oh, I'm good, buddy. Here, what's up? Always have a good one.
Later.
We gotta go back over by JFK.
That's a ride.
Yeah.
Wow.
This is where we cover, all the way up to the AV,
Oh,
AV
shit.
bridge.
So when they call, you guys get the call.
Yeah.
All right.
Do this.
That fucking keeper was there. I'm sure there's more.
And he just stirred up the bottom. Like, just don't drop down until I come off anchor.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, good job, Dick.
You didn't say anything.
I shouldn't have to. It's fucking logic. If we're not moving, what do you want the fucking shit?
I saw you push a button.
I did not push no button. You pushed my button.
Never happened.
I like that one. I sure did. Oh man.
There it is, man.
Oh.
You good?
Oh, you.
Looking this or?
That?
No.
No?
No, just feisty.
Okay. Wow, it's
Be careful.
a nice size.
Yep. Okay. Right here.
Small. Small. Nice species. There you go, bye-bye.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Sorry. Got him?
Hope he has nice head shapes.
That?
Just feisty.
Okay, just spicy. They look pretty good. Yeah. Right.
No, we got 16.
Oh, got smaller. They shrunk.
See how funky
Yeah.
All right.
Got smaller. It was big in the beginning. Oh, they changed mine. No. Not a keeper.
I'm not going for you.
I know.
You were on your own the whole time.
Come to me, Papa. Oh, he's really close. Relax.
That's good. But maybe the
What is this, a nursery zone?
yeah.
South Frank, man. I thought I caught you already. I put him off like sashimi! Yes. King Kong Adventure has been holding onto his thing.
There you go.
Alright, man. What you got? Head shaker?
Yeah, head shaker, that's for sure.
Oh!
Not bad, not bad.
Okay.
On the bucktail.
I got a fillet knife, it's ready. Oh shit. Whoa.
Everybody comfy?
Yes. That?
Yeah. Once again, more of the heavy bass.
Look short though.
Doesn't look short. What the fuck happened?
Yeah, life is way,
Yeah.
coming up.
You got one too?
Yeah. Looks like the Captain Missile. Wanted a hopping action?
Yeah, when you said it, I did.
That. Come on. Do your job. Hold the camera.
You doing it.
Hold the camera.
Don't lose him another fish.
The fuck, man?
I gotta control the boat.
That's your issue. Got it. You like keeping, brother. Sea robin, look.
Got a sea robin in his
Sea
mouth?
robin, it's not, look.
Nice.
Whoa, look at that. Look what he ate. Sea robin. Damn, that's a big freaking bait. No? Take it?
Good fight, though.
Oh, that crazy curve.
Yeah, little guy. Very small.
Not a bad idea. Awesome. I'll hit that next. Thank you.
I'm gonna test out that sea robin, the one he spit out.
Oh, yeah?
Half digested.
Fix that gulp too.
Oh. That's right. Good eye, Captain. Alright, here we go. The one he spit out.
We're on it?
Yeah,
It worked once before, why wouldn't it work again?
exactly. That's their targeted species. Yeah, you would think. Take.
You wanted to hop, huh?
Oh.
Start hopping. You saw that, right? Boom!
Oh my God! Got him!
Oh, my God.
I don't know what I got, but he's running. He went after that fish.
Do you need me to put it on spotlight?
I don't know yet. We'll find out. He's coming up. Coming up. I don't see him yet.
Still with that.
Whoa, he went after it. Look, he swallowed it. Whoa, you got one too. Keeper. Okay. I gotta clear this guy first.
Do what you gotta do, I got it.
Yeah, but I need camera.
Bye.
Got it? Keeper? Yo, this guy went after the sea robin.
Nice.
The one that the other one spit out. Oh,
gotcha.
oh shit, got your finger? Okay. Wow, it's close.
I'm measuring, but my guess is 17.
Oh, you're right.
They are beefy by the birch, though.
Holy crap, bro. I don't believe he went after that. I would expect a bigger fish than that little guy.
Yeah, 17. Any whack in the day.
Get out of here.
You get your finger?
No, what got me when you jumped before, the teaser grabbed me.
Oh. Wow, that was cool. I don't believe a fish actually went after that. Now you know it. Baby sea robin. It works too. Let's see how big he is first. Nope, not a keeper.
I'm using a half ounce.
Right?
Wink.
Got hit. Tight line. Not a keeper.
Got it. You got a spear?
Yeah. You need it?
Yeah. There you go.
No problem. Alright, make some noise.
Using a half-ounce bucktail?
Yeah. Yeah.
What?
Really know how to throw and right.
What size you using?
All right. What you got? Ooh. Oh yeah. Net?
Yeah, grab it just to be
Grab the
safe.
net. Grab the net.
I haven't seen him yet. Let's see.
Got me all excited.
You showed the way you fucking ran, though. I can imagine.
Yeah, I saw it. That was crazy. Yeah,
Oh, I get too
don't
excited.
call me yet. Okay. Well, you're right about that. Well,
Unless you can find that.
small. Pulleys a bit.
Small fish took 800 shoot up fucking months ago.
Wow.
Fell on.